We all know the traditional marketing funnel, where prospects move down a linear path and they become your customers. Then what? What happens next? The traditional marketing funnel is still very much relevant. However, there is a major flaw. Here's the deal.
Your customers are the most valuable asset that you have. They are the heartbeat of your business and the lifeline of your brand. Without that, well, your businesses won't sustain itself. So focusing on the customer is so important. Businesses don't just get new customers. They have to earn them. So building trust along the way is required.
Current customers spend 67% more on average than new customers, and it costs 5 to 10 times more to attract new customers. So what do you think? The simple math here tells us the bigger opportunity lies with our current customer base than trying to compete to gain new customers. That's why it's time to reinvent the funnel.
Introducing the flywheel. According to Hubspot, there are 2 significant changes in moving to a flywheel. As you can see, the flywheel is a continuous cycle that is constantly fueled by its customers. A circular process is where customers feed the growth. Any friction kills the momentum of the flywheel. That's why it's important to keep your customers happy.
There are 3 stages to the flywheel. First, attract qualified prospects with your expertise by creating content and starting conversations. Then engage them. Build the relationships with qualified prospects by providing insight and solutions to their problems and goals. Finally, delight. Continue to add value and service to foster an incredible experience with your brand and encourage your customers to become your promoters.
I'm Team Flywheel because all good relationships need to be well maintained in order to grow. So why should relationships with customers be any different?
I'm Team Flywheel because you should never stop trying to improve for your customers.
I'm Team Flywheel because I believe the customer is the main focus and should never be left at the bottom of a funnel.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Team Funnel.
Modern's most successful clients are our happiest clients. So we're Team Flywheel. What team are you on?